सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में।
Hi, I welcome you all in this new video. Today we will learn how to use correlation function in Excel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And to understand the all three methods to perform correlation, you have to watch video till end. So I hope you will watch this video till end. So let's start one by one. So here you can see I have data which is x and y, two variables are given. These are hypothetical variables. What I have taken, if x is 1 and y is also 1, so that you can understand the concept of correlation as well. So the first method is to calculate correlation is to calculate, first of all, go to desired cell where you want the output and then use equal and start writing CORREL, and this will appear, it is saying, and this will appear returns the correlation coefficient between two data set. So what are to, just double click it and it will take you first array 1, this is array 1, then comma, now array 2, this is coming, close it and hit enter, and here we have positive correlation, that is 1. We know because the data itself is suggesting that if it is 1 then y is also 1. Now just observe, if I make some change in the value of y, here instead of 7 I am making it 9. See, the correlation coefficient has changed. It has become 0.98. And let's make one more change in anywhere. If it is 7, and we can make a change here also. So this is a way how correlation can be calculated, and it is showing, it is reflected that it is a positive. So just doing by Control Z here, initially we are reaching to the original data set which is hypothetical in nature, and it is showing now the perfect positive correlation of 1. But actually to understand how we can calculate, we will go to second method. Now instead of going here, we will just select the cell and you have to use this function. And when we go for this, you will find a lot of functions which are here because I have already used it. So correlation is coming up. If it is not coming, then here you have to write the desired function and go, and it will show, or you can look into alternatively here in the statistical part and this will come. So for the time being it is already there. Just now go for OK. Now it is appearing in different manner. Correlation array 1, I am taking this, close it, go to array 2, and we can see now the correlation is -1. Let's again, you can make some changes into any of the value and you will find the value is also changing. Here it is 0.97. Let's make one more change, and now it has almost gone to -0.44, but it is negative correlation. So we have seen till now that there are two methods to calculate correlation. First, just writing into any of the cell in the desired place and write correlation, and second method was when you go to the correlation function, but ultimately it appears in different manner. Now what happens, how to calculate correlation when we have more than two data sets? For example, this is a data which is available with me. Here in the data you can see the date is there. It is starting from 1st July 1997 to, let's see what the data is, and we have 208 entries, and it is showing that stock exchange data for till 2014. So not getting into detail, Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 variables. So how to calculate? Can we use this function by going to this way? When we do this, it says only 2 array. Now, when we have more than 2 arrays, how we can calculate correlation? In order to use that, in order to calculate correlation, this is the third method that you can use. Go to data and then go to here, data analysis tab, and here the correlation function will come up. Now, if we have more than 2 and n number of variables are there, then this method can be used. So in order to select the data, let's take the value of the Bombay Stock Exchange and other stock exchange. So I am using here a function shift control right key arrow and then down key arrow. It has selected the all data, then control backspace. It is taking me to the top line, and here my data is there because I have selected. I want to take the result in columns, and I have also selected the labels, so I have checked it. And because these are 9 different variables, I do not want data in the same sheet, so I want to have another worksheet. So just click by this and hit OK. Here is the value. Then how to read it? Bombay Stock Exchange and its correlation is 1. Then in the similar manner, we can find any of the correlation with any of the other variable. For example, if we want to study the correlation between Bombay to other stock exchange, Bombay, and then next is Chinese. In the similar manner, we have correlation for all data. Next is Japan, which is negative. And in the similar manner, we can see most of the stock exchanges are having positive correlation with Bombay Stock Exchange except Japan, and second the Taiwan. Taiwan Stock Exchange has low degree, or we can say moderate degree of correlation. So this is the way how we can calculate correlation in Excel when we have 2 data sets and more than 2 data sets. So I hope you find this video useful. Please leave a comment and like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.
फिर हाजिर होंगे नए विषयों के साथ। तब तक देखते रहें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। नए वीडियो की जानकारी की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।